Friends, running kimono here. Oh my gosh, it's going to be another great week over at Walgreens. 75-cent NEXXUS shampoo, which is unheard of. So, we're going to talk about that deal, which is really spectacular. And the first thing I do want to talk about is the Dollar General. There is a clearance event going on, but this has nothing to do with the clearance event. This is a surprise penny list. Credit and shout out to Christie's Connections and her team for posting a video on this yesterday. So if you could head over to the Dollar General and go to the section where they have the framed art and all the stuff to make your house beautiful, you're going to be looking for this specific sticker on the frames. So it's yellow with the black and it says slot under it. And if you can track that down, open up the Dollar General app and scan the barcode. I'll link a video at the end if you have no idea how to do that. And if it rings up 0.00 at the register, it'll be a penny. I went to a store with a self-checkout too yesterday and it was still ringing up a penny. This little double pack of the llama and the pig with the glasses looks so adorable. This rang up a penny. So if you need like a Christmas gift or an extra little something to go with Christmas, I mean, this is just absolutely perfect. Any of this wall art, a lot of it is like family and cutesy stuff, and this is what you're looking for is the 0.00. I went yesterday and I probably could have brought home about 200 pieces of art. I only took about 25 and I gave a lot to other shoppers too in the store. This is the second time this sort of material has pennied out at the Dollar General, so I would go ASAP. And if you have never found a penny item, this is probably your opportunity. And a couple of the stores where I found a lot of stuff, I just started stacking it neatly towards the front so the next penny shopper could find everything and leave everything neat and tidy as well. I went to one store where somebody just ransacked everything and it makes it impossible to even walk around. But from that first picture, if you zoom in, that's what we're looking for this. And see that frame with a little beading around the side? I'm noticing a lot with that pattern. Also a penny. Good luck. Get out and do that right away. And in case you missed it, I made a video yesterday. Unfortunately, that Pampers deal is no longer available. Fetch changed the rebate altogether, so go figure that one out. And Dollar General, the food that's very cheap that I was tracking down is still ongoing right until Sunday 22nd. Good luck. If you want to look for those pennies, I would go and try today. Okay, back to Walgreens. We are going to be talking about Walgreens for the rest of the video. I know that's why you guys are here. I think on Wednesday at the top of both of my accounts, I had this booster, which is a 10 back when you spend 45. I also found a couple paper boosters on the left-hand side in a parking lot of a store on Friday evening, so I was pretty lucky about that. And yes, these two will stack. I'll get $17 back when I spend 45. And these haven't been printing out for many of us, but I was very lucky to find a couple of them balled up on the ground. How lucky was that? And please treat this video as a preview. The full ad, along with all of the digital coupons, will be published on Sunday, September the 22nd. And if you could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, really helps out the video and the channel. If you could take a quick second and like the video, I would be so grateful. Okay, so the first deal that we have is the 2 for $8 on the Garnier Fructis or Whole Blends with a 3 off 2 digital coupon. I know a couple weeks back we got the Whole Blends coupon, so will a second one show up on Sunday? We'll have to wait and see. But grabbing 2 of these Garnier shampoos, subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $5, get back a $3 register reward, making it $2 for 2 or $1 per shampoo or conditioner. And again, the Whole Blends and the Fructis, are they going to combine the coupon? I know that we have one for the Whole Blends, but we'll have to wait and see how this one shakes out. But the dollar shampoo, I'm all about that. The next deal that we have is with the Tresemme hair care, the hairspray, or probably the shampoo, $6 or $7. Grabbing 2 of the shampoos for $12. They usually price them at $6, the larger bottles. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $7. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $2 for 2 or $1 per shampoo. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. If you might be so lucky to have a paper booster on the left-hand side along with the digital booster on the right-hand side, let's combine it for a $45 basket in this next deal. We're going to pick up the Tresemme that I just showed you, Plus, we're going to grab 2 NEXXUS shampoos at $32. We have a $5 off digital, $10 reward when you spend 20 or more. So this is just a very straightforward deal. 2 of the NEXXUS products, you can grab shampoo or hairspray, whatever you want, $32. And then Tresemme, we're going to grab a $7 hairspray and a $6 shampoo for $13 on the nose. Adding all of that up, it's $45. Have your booster loaded, the 10 back when you spend $45. Get the cashier to scan your booster of 7 back when you spend $35. We have $10 in digital coupons melting off. 5 for NEXXUS, 5 off of 2 for Tresemme. With your debit card, you're spending $35, getting back $15 in register rewards, 10 for NEXXUS, 5 for Tresemme, and 17 back for both boosters, making it $3 for the 4 or 75 cents per product. Do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards if you might have it. And I did check Fetch, and unfortunately their NEXXUS rebates are at big box stores only like Costco or Sam's Club. But what a deal, 75 cents. Have not seen this price in a very long time. If you have both boosters, make it happen. Have the Hershey's snack size candy 2 for $5, and we have a $1 off 2 Walgreens coupon, so that will make it 2 for $4 or $2 per bag. And this is like your Halloween treat of the week. Every week leading up to Halloween, Walgreens has very inexpensive candy. And we have the 4 for $10 on the various Bounce, Downy, Gain, Tide Simply laundry care products by P&G. So it shakes it out to $2.50 per laundry care product, which is a very good price point. Kind of wondering if there might be a digital coupon for this guy on Sunday, because right now the coupons are expiring on this. There was dollar coupons. BOGO 50% off on the Scott's paper products. They're $5 each. So it makes the two $7.50 for 2. And then if there's a digital coupon, $1 off each, it would make it $2.75. But that's a wait and see on Sunday. But $3.75 is a very cheap paper product price that we have. Cheaper than most stores if you think about that, like a 12 pack of toilet paper. So definitely, you throw in a register reward or some Walgreens cash. It's the way to get your paper these days because it's so expensive everywhere else. Like it must be made out of gold or something. It's expensive. Now we're looking at the $4.50 Colgate products. We have a $3 digital, $4 reward when you buy 2. Grabbing 2 of these Colgate products, that's going to be $9, and we're going with the cheaper $4.50s. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $6. Get back one $4 register reward, making it $2 for 2 or $1 per product. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. But a definite stock up price $1 if Colgate is your favorite dental care line. I like to get it for 50 cents or less, but $1 isn't the worst. And now we have the $5 to $9. Definitely open up your IBOTTA account, what's tagged, if you can get a little something extra. But I kind of need to stock up on these Oral-B flossers. So 3 of them would be $15. Subtracting your digital coupon, I would pay $10. Get back one $5 register reward. And I can use Walgreens cash if I'm doing this deal on its own with no booster. Now, if I wanted to grab some fancier Crest, does IBOTTA also have a rebate for that? Because then I can maybe get like 2 toothpastes and 1 flossers, like kind of mix it up. Okay, guys, we're going to go through some very quick honorable mentions. The first one goes to the 2 for $8 on the Dove knockoff Walgreens brand body wash. Buy 2 of these, get back $1 in Walgreens cash. It makes it 7 for 2 or $3.50 per body wash. We also have a buy one, get 2 for free on Purex. Typically, these sell for $8.99 for the first, so it'd be like $3 per laundry detergent. And if you love Pepsi, we have a buy 2, get 2 for free. That is a very good deal compared to most grocery stores. They don't offer that. And then finally, to go with your Pepsi, we have the 2 for $4 Pringles, which is a good price point for $2 each instead of paying $3.49 for 1. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.